Welcome to the heart of innovation, where raw materials transform. Witness the intricate dance of creation. From carefully sourced precursors, our journey begins. Each component is chosen for its purity and potential.
Every raw material undergoes rigorous digital inspection. Traceability ensures the highest standards from the outset.
Even with automation, human expertise remains paramount. Our skilled technicians ensure every detail meets our stringent criteria. The journey begins with precision mixing. Raw compounds unite, forming the foundational liquid for our advanced foam. Precise pumps orchestrate the blend, ensuring every chemical is introduced with exact volumetric control. Purity is paramount.
Continuous real-time monitoring guarantees the perfect chemical balance. Our commitment to quality is unwavering every second.
A critical sample is drawn, destined for rigorous analysis. This ensures every batch of foam meets our exacting specifications.
The sample embarks on an automated journey, traversing a network of sensors for rapid, comprehensive quality assessment.
Under the microscope, every molecular detail is scrutinized. Precision at this level guarantees the foam's superior performance and integrity.
Expert hands guide the advanced analyzers, decoding the sample's intricate chemical blueprint. This ensures unparalleled consistency.
Our comprehensive quality control lab is a testament to dedication. Every ingredient is meticulously verified before production commences.
The perfectly blended liquid now flows into its temporary home, awaiting the pivotal moment of transformation. Purity maintained.
Pressure builds within the sealed chamber, meticulously controlled. This critical phase prepares the liquid for its incredible expansion.
Temperature, a silent orchestrator, is meticulously regulated. Every degree is crucial for the foam's perfect cellular structure. The robotic arm positions with ultimate precision. The meticulously prepared liquid is ready to enter the heart of transformation.
The liquid enters the expansion chamber, a crucible of change. The journey from fluid to foam has now officially begun.
Within the chamber, the magic unfolds. Tiny bubbles emerge. Each foam expands with incredible speed, filling the chamber, a testament to precise chemistry and optimal environmental controls. Freshly formed, the massive foam block emerges, still warm. It's now ready for the crucial cooling and stabilization phase. Under a cascade of cool air, the foam stabilizes. This gentle process ensures its structural integrity and lasting performance.
Thermal imaging ensures uniform cooling, preventing internal stresses.
Fully cooled and stabilized, the pristine foam block is ready. It embarks on its journey into core manufacturing, meticulously prepared. Transferred with robotic precision, the foam block enters conditioning. This vital step optimizes its properties for further processing.
Within the conditioning chamber, humidity is precisely managed. A fine mist gently prepares the foam for its next critical phase.
Gently rotating, the foam block absorbs its conditioned environment. This precise preparation guarantees optimal performance in every fiber.
From conditioning, the refined foam block emerges. Now, it's prepared for the precision of our advanced cutting processes.
The foam block is meticulously positioned on our advanced cutting platform. Precision engineering prepares it for transformation.
Laser precision guides our cutting. Every line is digitally mapped, ensuring absolute accuracy for each foam component.
High-speed oscillating blades descend with surgical accuracy. This advanced cutting technology ensures flawless, precise foam components.
With incredible speed and minimal waste, our oscillating blades create flawless, uniform foam sections. Precision in motion. The freshly cut edge reveals a perfectly uniform cell structure. This is the hallmark of our superior foam quality.
Each perfectly cut foam piece is gently lifted by robotic precision, ensuring its integrity before the next stage.
Automated systems meticulously sort each foam component. This organized precision ensures efficiency for every subsequent process.
Our digital systems meticulously track every component. This advanced organization ensures seamless flow and optimal production efficiency. In climate-controlled storage, every component awaits its purpose. Meticulous organization ensures perfect readiness for assembly. Our robotic systems flawlessly retrieve each component. This automated precision ensures seamless flow to the assembly stations. Precise robotic nozzles apply a specialized adhesive. This meticulous preparation ensures flawless bonding for superior foam products. Two foam components unite, guided by synchronized robotic arms. This flawless bonding creates a single, durable, integrated structure. The newly bonded foam assembly enters the curing stage. Precise conditions ensure the adhesive strengthens, creating an unbreakable bond. The cured seam, virtually invisible, confirms a perfect bond. Our foam products are engineered for unparalleled strength and durability.
Even with advanced automation, human touch remains vital. Our skilled technicians meticulously inspect every bonded assembly. Foam components move seamlessly to hardware attachment. Our automated systems ensure every piece is perfectly prepared and aligned.
A delicate metal insert is precisely integrated into the foam. This robotic accuracy ensures robust and lasting hardware attachment.
Multiple robotic arms converge, forming complex structural units. This synchronized precision builds the robust foundation of our foam products.
Partially assembled foam structure progresses along our main line. Every stage is meticulously automated for peak efficiency.
Our engineers meticulously verify every structural detail. Advanced schematics ensure robust design and unparalleled product performance. Structurally complete, our foam product stands ready. It now enters the phase of meticulous detail work, ensuring perfection. Artisan hands meticulously refine every edge. This dedication to detail ensures a flawless finish, showcasing true craftsmanship.
The perfectly smooth, hand-finished edge is a testament to our artisan's skill. Uncompromising quality defines every product.
A protective coating is expertly applied, enhancing durability and longevity. This meticulous step safeguards our premium foam.
The coated foam enters our curing oven. Precise heat treatment ensures the protective layer bonds flawlessly for enduring quality.
The cured surface boasts a luxurious sheen, a testament to its refined finish and lasting protection. Quality perfected.
The first meticulous visual inspection begins. Our expert technicians scrutinize every millimeter, ensuring flawless initial quality. Automated laser scanning maps every dimension. This ensures unparalleled precision, upholding our commitment to exact specifications.
Every millimeter is analyzed. Our advanced scanners detect even the most minute imperfections, ensuring absolute flawlessness.
Identified imperfections are meticulously marked. This guided approach ensures every product achieves our rigorous quality standards. The marked foam product is routed for precise correction. This targeted refinement ensures every item meets our exacting quality benchmarks. With a master's touch, minor imperfections are meticulously corrected. This dedication ensures every product is absolutely flawless.
A final, uncompromising inspection. Only when perfection is confirmed does our product receive its ultimate seal of approval.
The approved foam product moves to branding. Here, it receives the mark of quality, signifying its premium craftsmanship.
Our distinctive brand is meticulously applied, a mark of unparalleled quality. Every impression signifies true craftsmanship.
Bearing our mark of excellence, the finished foam products advance to packaging. Every detail ensures a pristine delivery. Our foam products are meticulously wrapped in a high-quality protective film. This safeguards their pristine condition for delivery. Plates. The protective film is seamlessly sealed, creating an invisible barrier. This meticulous step guarantees pristine foam is gently placed into its luxurious packaging. Every detail reflects our commitment to premium presentation.
The elegantly packaged product moves swiftly, destined for its final touches. Branding materials complete the premium presentation.
A perfectly crafted brand leaflet is precisely inserted. Every element within our packaging reflects thoughtful luxury. The luxury packaging is sealed with our branded sticker. This final touch guarantees authenticity and a pristine unboxing experience.
The fully packaged product is now ready for its close-up. It moves to our studio, where its beauty will be captured.
Our product takes center stage. A professional photographer meticulously sets the scene, capturing its refined essence perfectly. From every angle, our product's elegance is captured. The finest details are meticulously highlighted, showcasing its true beauty.
From studio spotlight to systematic storage, our products transition seamlessly. Ready for distribution, they await their journey.
Every product is meticulously scanned, entering our advanced inventory system. This ensures flawless tracking and efficient order fulfillment.
Robotic precision stacks each luxury product onto pallets. This systematic approach ensures efficient storage and seamless distribution. Skilled operators navigate our vast warehouse. Each pallet of luxury products is moved with precision, ready for global distribution. Our advanced logistics system provides real-time data. Every shipment is meticulously coordinated for efficient global distribution. Pallets of luxury products are meticulously loaded onto our branded trucks. Ready for their journey, they will soon reach their destination.
From our factory gates, our products embark on their journey. They travel the world, bringing quality to discerning customers.
Our products grace the most exquisite retail spaces. A symbol of luxury, they invite discerning customers to experience true quality.
A touch of elegance, a moment of connection. Our products invite interaction, promising an experience of unmatched luxury.
The journey culminates in satisfaction. Our luxury foam products become a cherished part of discerning customers' lives.
A satisfied smile, the ultimate testament to our quality. We craft experiences, not just products, for lasting joy.
Integrated flawlessly into luxurious spaces, our foam products redefine comfort. Experience unparalleled sophistication and tranquility. Beneath the surface lies a marvel of engineering. Our foam's perfect cellular structure ensures unmatched comfort and durability. In your sanctuary of productivity, our foam provides unparalleled ergonomic comfort. Elevate your focus, enhance your well-being. Experience unparalleled stability and comfort. Our foam elevates your workspace, allowing effortless focus and creative flow.
Indulge in the exquisite, velvety texture. Our foam products are crafted for a premium feel, enhancing every touch.
Experience the ultimate in restful sleep. Our foam mattresses cradle you in luxurious comfort, ensuring perfect rejuvenation. Our foam's advanced open-cell structure ensures optimal airflow. Experience perfect temperature regulation for truly restorative sleep.
Experience the profound tranquility of truly restorative sleep. Our foam mattress provides the ultimate foundation for your well-being.
Wake up invigorated, ready to embrace the day. Our foam mattress delivers the revitalizing sleep you truly deserve.
A gentle smile, the mark of true rejuvenation. Our foam products deliver not just comfort, but genuine well-being.
In your elegant living space, our foam provides ultimate comfort. Experience sophisticated relaxation.
Meticulous stitching, luxurious upholstery. Every detail of our foam products reflects uncompromising craftsmanship and enduring elegance. Share moments of luxurious comfort and connection. Our foam-filled spaces foster togetherness and profound relaxation. A gentle ripple, then perfect stillness. Our foam's acoustic dampening creates a haven of tranquility, enriching every moment.
Let joy abound in safety. Our foam playmats offer unparalleled cushioning, ensuring every giggle is worry-free.
A gentle touch, a world of protection. Our foam absorbs every impact, ensuring a safe and soft environment for play.
Even our beloved companions deserve the finest comfort. Our foam pet beds provide luxurious support, ensuring their well-being.
From serene baths to quiet rugs, our foam seamlessly integrates. Experience versatile luxury.
From meticulous creation to luxurious living, our foam enriches every aspect of life. Experience the ultimate in comfort and quality.